Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, Thesonofsomeman.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope you all having a great weekend. But tonight we're going to be taking a look at 3 Air Jordan 3s from 3 different eras. But before we jump into today's video, if you are brand new, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below, as we are continuing to grow the channel consistently, dropping videos consistently. When I say consistently, I'm talking about every single day. So please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, come and join the family. You know, we're starting to grow around here, so things are looking good. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, before we jump into today's video, huge shout out to 8 and 9. If you want to check them out, the links are in the description down below, as well as J&M Sneakers. You can check them out as well. Also, Pure Sneaker Cleaner. Can't forget those guys over there. Right here, here you go. The Pure Sneaker Cleaner. Yeah, pretty good stuff, not for nothing. But anyway, guys, if you want to find any of those guys, their links will be in the description. Make sure you check them out. Also, I got some codes for 8 and 9, some man. You could use that at the checkout. Just enter that in the code, you know, during checkout, and it'll give you 15% off your entire purchase. Also, for the Pure Sneaker Cleaner, you could also put in my link down below, and I believe you receive 10% off, if I'm not mistaken. Let's jump into today's video. Let's get down to why we are here. Let's get down to why you clicked that thumbnail. Let's get down to the Air Jordan 3. Alright guys, starting off, we have 3 different Air Jordan 3s from 3 different eras. We got an Air Jordan 3 from 1994, we got an Air Jordan 3 from 2001, and we have the white cement 3s. As you know, if you haven't seen that video, click the link at the top of the screen, check that video out, but make sure you come back over here. Alright, now they're 3 different decades, so they're pretty much, they're almost, well, one is 20 years older, the other one is more 6-7 years older. So, but without further ado, let's get into this review.
A birthday and a funeral in between.
Alright guys, so starting it off, this is the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement from 1994. Now this is one of my holy grails. I absolutely adore this shoe. I love it. I got it swapped because I want to wear it, but I haven't wore it. But come summertime, we're going to be throwing these things on. So, take a look at these beauties, man. Beautiful. The leather, we'll be checking that out. All right, now you have the True Blue 3. This is from 2001. Another good era for sneakers, another good era for basketball. It's when Jordan, you know, was on the Wizards. If you want to see that video, you can click the link at the top of the screen, because I just did the review on that video, on that shoe, the PE, the Wizards PE that just came out. Couple of differences, nothing too crazy. But anyway, guys, we have it here. We're going to be checking these out. The Air Jordan 3 True Blue 2001. And of course, you know, recently what just dropped, the Reimagine Air Jordan 3 White Cement. This shoe is absolutely on fire. It's going to be in the ring against another sneaker. I put my life on it for Sneaker of the Year, 1000%. This shoe is just phenomenal. I'm just so hyped about the shoe because, you know, me being the Jordan lover that I am, I've never owned a white cement. I think I think maybe I owned a 2003, but I never had it long enough to where I could treasure it because it just went gone. But these ain't going nowhere. Got another pair coming, and then I got another pair coming, so they're not going anywhere. Loving this shoe right here. Wife still doesn't understand why I want 3 pairs. I told her, you're never gonna understand, babe. It's just, you know, it's a sneakerhead thing. Alright guys, let's check out the different qualities, the different leathers, the different textures. Let's see what Jordan Brand's been up to for the past 30 years. Alright guys, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna look at the elephant print. Now that's the 2023, obviously. This is the 2001. And then you got the 94. Now, I think the 94 and the 2023 actually have a lot in common. They kind of look the same to me. Alright guys, honestly we have 3 different types of elephant print here. As I believe that's how it goes, man. Not, you know, not one pair that are gonna have the same identical, you know, elephant print on it. Because I found that weird watching some other guys' videos and seeing their you know, elephant prints not matching, and I really took a look at it. I wanted to see and come to know it. It's the norm, man. Alright guys, as for leather quality, this being the 94, 2001, and your 2023. Now out of the 3, I think the 94's got the best, man. This is, you know, something else, dude. That leather is really nice, and I keep them stuffed, of course. This is nice, but not for nothing, this is not so bad either. These need a cleaning, but look at that, that's really not bad. It's got the widow's peak there. And this one, like I said, it could have definitely been better, but not bad, not bad. Alright guys, as for the tongue, look at that leather on the 94, just nice. Obviously you can see the 2 reds are different, and then you can see now all 3 reds are different. This one being more vibrant, the 2023 obviously, but this one still, 94, got some, you know, red to it, man. Look at that leather on it. The whole tongue, oh, it's just so nice. Things are just so different. It's just so different, man. The leather, really, honestly, the quality is really different. This is, I don't care what anyone says, this is top tier, man. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Alright, since we're on that subject of the tongues, this is the 2023 pair. As you can see, the back is red. 2001 pair here. Blue, true blue. And the 1994. So you can see that, but it's fading away. But yeah, that's the back of the tongues. Alright, while we're back here, might as well take a look at the back tabs, right? 94s being Nike Air, 2023 with the Nike Air as well. Unfortunately, the 2001 True Blue Trees did not come with the Nike Air. If it would have came with the Nike Air, whew, they're already a fire pair. I could just imagine if they had Nike Air on it, forget about it. Let's take a closer look at the, you know, the elephant print. The grays are definitely different. Obviously, this one is more oxidized because it's older, and this one's even older. This one's really yellow and bad. But you see the difference, guys. Oldest to youngest. Alright guys, here we have the 1994. What a beauty. Look at the shape. The shape is really nice. Up next, 2001 True Blue 3. I know I keep saying it back and forth, but that's just in case anybody left and came back, you know. It also comes with the card. Don't forget that, guys. Very important detail. At least I believe so. And then you have the 2023 fire shoe, man. Overall, man, super fire. As you see the bottoms, take a look. These got the Jordan instead of the Nike. These have the Nike, obviously worn as well. Alright guys, before we go, we're gonna take an overall look at the entire shoe. Loving this one, loving this one. This one is a grail of mine. Look at that leather, man. You ain't getting that nowhere. Nowhere. I don't care who you are. That is fine. Unfortunately, I do not have the box of this, so if anyone out there has the box for 1994s, let me know. Let's work something out. As I mentioned before, the 2001 comes with the card. Obviously, fire reds, dunking from the free throw line. Very dope. I used to have this post. I need to get it back. But I love this piece. I wish they need to bring this back. Jordan Brand, Nike, anybody watching, please bring this back. Okay, here's the 2001 True Blue 3. Also, this leather you ain't getting. Maybe you can, but that 94, man, you ain't getting that. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I love that right there. Some people don't like it. Oh well. Beautiful shoe, I must say so myself. The Air Jordan 3 True Blue 2001. And then we have your newest one, the 2023 reimagined Air Jordan 3 White Cement. Overall, man, dominating the summer of 2023 100%. At least in my eyes. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. 2023 reimagined White Cement 3s. Alright guys, let me know down in the comment section what you thought of today's video. Are you an Air Jordan 3 fan? Do you like this year's drop? Do you like 1994s? Were you even born in 1994? I'm just joking with you guys. But please let me know your comments, your thoughts, your opinions down in the comment section. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. I really, really do. But until next time, guys, it is your man, the Thesonofsomeman, and we're out. Peace.